The law of attraction and manifestation are super exciting because all of a sudden we have this power, this capability to attract that missing thing into our life. The problem is it doesn't always work, and you really want it to work and you really hope that it can work because life simply hasn't measured up. I've been there and my heart goes out to you, and like me, you've probably considered going to therapy, or you actually did go to therapy. You've tried some different spiritual practices and techniques. You probably have some kind of religious background, and still nothing added up. So along your journey, you stumble upon the law of attraction and manifestation. And this is pretty interesting. This is kind of new. There's not some external force which determines my happiness. It's from within, and I have the power and the capability to attract the things that I feel that are missing into my life. You plunge down to the rabbit hole of law of attraction only to discover that everybody out there, everybody is promising you that you have the entire world at your fingertips. All you have to do is use this secret technique. And all of a sudden you're spinning in the shower, repeating mantras, you're speaking to your water while your family gives you that crazy look, and you're doing affirmations 413 times a day. But still, nothing's happening. And don't get me wrong, all those techniques, they can make a big difference, but the thing that really needs to be changed in order for you to be successful at manifesting is your own beliefs. Whether you know it or not, you have a solidified set of beliefs, and some of those beliefs have empowered you to be able to attract some pretty great things into your life. And that same belief system, there are other ones in there called limiting beliefs, which have ultimately prevented you from attracting the other things into your life. So this is the most important question when it comes to law of attraction and manifestation, is ask yourself this: what is that one missing thing, or that set of missing things that I feel I don't have in my life? The answer to that is extremely important because it may as well be a laser pointer or a compass directing you to exactly where your belief system is preventing you from attracting those things into your life. And that's where the real work starts with manifestation. It's some serious work to uproot a belief system which has been ingrained in your very being for years or decades, to absolutely eliminate it and then plant new seeds of an empowering, positive belief system that will take over and build some momentum. And with that momentum building, you are slowly but surely attracting that thing into your life until you are totally confident and comfortable believing that that thing is your destiny. But it can be done. And as soon as you ask yourself that question and you have your answer where that one missing thing lies, and you direct your investment towards your belief system and you start changing that, that's where the adventure becomes beautiful, because you are doing the work and taking the time and investment to become worthy of attracting that thing into your life. And you are the only one that determines whether you are worthy or whether you're not. Manifestation, law of attraction is a beautiful path. It's a spiritual path where you grow to become valuable enough, worthy enough to experience that thing into your life, because we know we attract that which we are. So, are you embodying wholly and authentically the thing you are trying to manifest into your life? And if not, that's okay, because we know exactly where to pour our time and heart into.